Hello there. Today's topic is how to use Notion. Now I know some of you must be thinking, what is Notion and what does it do? Well, now let me tell you what Notion is. Notion is an app available on Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. It's an app that helps people in organizing their daily work, such as typing down notes, thoughts, planning, and etc. This app can be used by students and at workplaces and at home and for personal usage and daily to organize oneself. Now I would tell you how to get started and do the basics. First, so guys, now I'm going to go over the 5 points: how to create a page, how to make a table, how to organize your notes, how to import media files and PDFs. So first thing is, over here, if you can see my cursor here, you can add a page, you can add a title, hello there, you can add an icon, add a cover, and you can customize the cover, like change cover here, and you can over here also do random or add any other emoji. And over here, these are the options you can add, and you can type also hello and all, and then you over here, from here you can add stuff like this and to-do list and whatnot, and you can also add links and everything. The second point is customization of a page. Now for example, I want to make this better, like I can change this in colors and everything. I can change this in my heading, like for example, this is hello, how are you. Now I can these are the options what all you can add: to-do list, heading, and all. You can see, mention a person and all. These key features come very useful, like in note taking for school and all. You can add stuff and all. Also, so like if I want to color this, go here, go to color, go to back. You can make it orange background or color it. Or like I can put any color. Now the third point, how to make a table. Now if I add a page, I go to table and just do hello, you can add signs, and you can create a tag, what time you want to study till, like 2 to 4, and you can mention tags and all. Another fourth is how to organize. Now I want this thing inside this. Now I can do this, and then it will be here. Now I can add pages of notes. Like what I did over here is I've created separate divisions. Like I'll show you, you can create a division like pages, signs, sorry for the spellings, signs, and then over here you can add divisions like over here inside here you can add a page. What do you want to do? Magnets. That's how you can also customize it. And now the last point is how to import files and media. So like you can add a page and you can import stuff from here also. Wait, like I want to import this photo I made. This is like one of my servers thing. I had to make like a photo I made. Then I can add video, screen recording and all. You can upload, like one photo is already uploaded, and another photo below you can add. It's come like a link. You can open it. Not here. You can open up online. This is like a link. This is a Photoshop one. It's like PSD. That's what's on. Now I can open my Finder. Add a screenshot. Now look, I just drag and drop, and came if I have to drag a PDF downloads. Like a Word doc, for example, notes, Silk Road, upload the PDF, maybe as a link, and open it up in Google. Look, it opened up on Google. And now some extra info. You can use a free Notion, but if you want to maximize the experience of Notion, then you could buy a subscription for Notion. There are 3 packs. One is the Personal Pro, where you can find your version history, invite unlimited guests to see your stuff and edit them, and upload unlimited PDFs, pictures, and screenshots. And there are 2 more packs. One is the Enterprise pack and the Workspaces pack. I'll link the Notion website in the description below, and you can see the packs if you want to buy. And this is not a sponsored video. I'm doing it just out of passion. Thank you for watching, and this is Summer signing off.